Hey TinkerBlock makers! Today we're learning how to measure temperature with the TinkerBlock TK12 NTC thermistor sensor. This is perfect for environmental monitoring, temperature control systems, or any project that needs to know how hot or cold things are. We're using our TinkerBlock setup, the lonely binary UNO R3, the Shield, and the TK12 NTC thermistor module. This sensor contains an NTC 3950 thermistor that changes resistance based on temperature. Higher temperatures mean lower resistance. Lower temperatures mean higher resistance. The sensor works through voltage division. As the temperature changes, the thermistor's resistance changes, which changes the voltage at the output pin. The TinkerBlock's analog to digital converter reads this voltage and gives us values from 0 to 1023. We use analog read to get the raw temperature value. Then we convert it to actual temperature in Celsius using the Steinhart-Hart equation. This gives us precise temperature readings from about -40 degrees to +125 degrees Celsius. The code includes smoothing to reduce noise and give you stable readings. We also categorize temperatures into levels: very cold, cold, cool, warm, and hot. This makes it easy to understand what the sensor is detecting. In the serial monitor, you'll see real-time updates. This gives you complete insight into the temperature conditions around your sensor. The beauty of this system is its accuracy. The NTC 3950 thermistor is highly sensitive and provides precise temperature measurements. Warm the sensor with your hand and watch the temperature rise. Cool it down and see it drop. This is the foundation for so many temperature-based projects. Once you can measure temperature accurately, you can create automatic heating systems, temperature alarms, or environmental monitoring systems. The TinkerBlock system makes this incredibly easy. No breadboard, no wiring, just plug the sensor module into the Shield and you're ready to go. The module handles all the voltage division and signal conditioning for you. Try this. Upload the code, open the serial monitor, and start experimenting with temperature. Warm the sensor with your hand, cool it with ice, or just monitor room temperature. Watch how it responds to every temperature change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more TinkerBlock tutorials.